Welcome to 75 Hard AI Engineering Challenge. This challenge is for people who want consistency in their work. The core reason I am starting this challenge is to be consistent for a volume of days so that we can reach our goals, whatever we goal set our goals in AI engineering. This is for engineers as well as leaders who want to better understand this industry. There are going to be a lot of topics that we are going to cover. We are going to start from 18th October because from 18th October there will be a total of 75 days till December 31. By the end of this year, we should complete this challenge so that we have certain skills and whatever goals we set for this particular year. Our objective is to be consistent and be better at AI engineering and basically AI industry. So there will be a lot of things. The core problem we are solving here is to be consistent and avoid the tutorial hell. So you have seen a lot of topics, you have seen a lot of videos available. There is no consistency, there is no proper roadmap available that you can follow and uh, complete a particular task at a particular day for a long period of time. Okay, so that's the problem we are solving through this challenge. Okay, you can consider this as a foundational challenge for the next year's challenge that we are going to follow. This foundational challenge is mandatory for everyone who is working in AI industry. Even if you don't want to code, you will learn a lot about AI engineering through this journey. In this challenge, we are going to focus on um, practical lessons. There will be actionable insights. There will be real world projects. A total of 7 projects I'm targeting, but let's see if we can do more than that as well. There will be a community along with it. So I'm explaining to you about that community as well. Now, the framework we are going to follow for the whole 75 hard AI engineering challenge is we are going to learn things. After that, we are going to build it. Without building, you do not have any skills. Okay, theory is important, but so does the building part or the actions. So learning, building, deploying, and marketing at the end of it. Most other people learn and stop there. Most other people learn and build. Most other people build projects for their local systems and nobody knows about it. And you have to have your laptop to show somebody that this is your project and this is the problem you are solving. But when you deploy it in production to any cloud provider, you will see through a API endpoint, you can share your work with the world. You can share with your client, you can share with your recruiter or anyone. Okay, so deployment is important because ultimately recruiters or other companies that you are going to join or the clients you are going to work with, they are ultimately going to deploy those projects, their projects. And if you know that skills, it will be a plus for everyone. Okay, so deploying is more important. Once you learn it, build and deploy it, marketing is also important. Marketing is tough. Building a distribution is even tougher. Right now, you need a distribution to distribute your work around your audience, and audience are going to engage with it, and so does opportunity will be generated through it. So after creating it, you have to put your work in the market. So this is the framework we need to follow. That learning, we are after that we need to build it. After that, we need to deploy it or somewhere, and at the end of it, we need to create a story and share with the world. Okay, if you put your work out there, that's the only way people reach out to you. Okay, so that's how you create uh, better opportunities for yourself. Okay, there will be a curriculum. There's a already AI engineer headquarters that I follow, that I host. I instruct people in that particular cohort, and I am covering different modules in it and using the same roadmap. I consider this as the correct roadmap so far. And anytime I get a new update, I think it should be added to the curriculum, I will add it to the curriculum. Okay. So for each module, you will find different parts of it, and different parts contains different topics that are required for understanding that topic. These are subtopics in AI engineering. There will be a lot of other topics as well. These are just, you can say, high level topics. When you go in depth inside it, you will see a lot of different topics along with it. Okay. So there's already a roadmap, detailed roadmap available, topic wise. So if you want to check that out, when you submit your email, you will get all the details. I'm coming to that. But yeah, so all of these topics we are going to cover. After that, obviously you are not alone. I am doing this challenge, as well as you are going to do it, this challenge, along with other people who register for this one. And you can check this in Discord. Okay, so there will be everything we are going to host in Discord. There will be um, a private community for that. People are going to share their work, share their daily wins. You ask your question, and everything is available. So let me show you. This is the Discord community. Everything is available here. Okay, you can join this. You can see general discussions, job updates, or any YouTube update I'm going to post. Okay, you will find a 75 hard AI engineering category here. You will find all the details about this. Introductions will be there, so that you are going to submit um, about yourself, and you will increase or expand your network. Okay, daily challenges will be here. For example, this is day 0. So for day 0, this is the challenge, and you can it's very easy. You need to follow certain steps. Okay, there will be a forum discussion about uh, what we are going to do in those challenge, and any kind of challenge, just like any social media platform. Okay, there will be live events, there will be accountability partners, so you can work with somebody on this challenge, so that everybody will be motivated for a long period of time. Because if you miss a single day, you need to start with the day 1. Okay, so we don't want to do that. And this is, I designed it in a way that it will be self-paced. So for example, if you think you need to start again, you can submit your email, and the automation will start again with the day 0 content. Okay, so it's up to you. You can ask your questions, you can get help if you stuck somewhere, and so on. So this is basically the section for Discord community. As I said, you are not alone in this, so you can ask your peers, ask myself. You can ping in DM somewhere. You can join any particular voice channel, and you will have different stand-up calls and uh, a lot of other things. There will be a lot of live events I am going to plan every week. There will be uh, there will be stand-up calls, there will be office hour calls. Everything is on Discord, so most of the time I am available, my team is available. Along with that, other members who um, join this 75 hard challenge is going to be part of it. Okay, so you're not alone. You can have a community, and you can move forward together. Okay, so I will be your guide, and I've been working in the industry for close to a decade now, and um, so this challenge is, for me, this is for building the consistency and sharing my knowledge with the world. Okay, so that's my primary objective. Along with that, I will work on my business side of it, the products I'm working on, the AI products we are working on, and so many other things. Okay, so that's the objective for myself. And yeah, the question is this free? So yes, it is free. It is absolutely free. You can register here and the automation will start. You will get an email every day to um, to work on it. You will get a resource. So I'm coming to that. Okay, there will be some links you can find here about me. Once you submit here, submit your email and name, you will get an email. So email will look like this. So this is the email, and I added a particular framework that we are going to follow, as I already told you. Learn, build, deploy, and market. After that, there will be a support thing also, because there's a uh, there's a mission I live by, that is Jan Kalyan, which is public welfare. So all you know, in any industry you are working in, you can share your work in any way. So this is my way of sharing or helping people from past, I think, 10 years, close to 10 years. So you can also do that by sharing your work and helping people achieve their goals. Okay, when you help other people, you grow with them. Okay, they grow with you. So it's a very simple thing, but it's a very powerful part also. Okay, so support is important. So it's a transformation journey for everyone. Okay, now in this you will find a 4 hour daily work system. Okay, so what this means that this is the 4 hour daily work system that I follow, and this particular system is very efficient in terms of getting something out of it, getting something, some results out of it, out of anything you're working on. You're building businesses, you are working as a freelancer, you are a product manager, you are a lead somewhere, you're running your own company, and so on. Okay, so this 4 hour deep work session is simply you give 4 hours, or you can reduce the time depending upon how much time you got, because if you are working somewhere and you are working on this challenge, so you can reduce that depending upon your work and everything. So I give 4 hours for learning and building, and these 4 hours will be, you are not allowed to use your phone. There's no way, there should not be any notifications. Put your phone away. For like this, I'm shooting this on my phone, so there's no way I'm going to use my phone while I'm shooting. So everything will be through these videos. So I don't think I'm not going to use this phone. Same goes to you. If you are shooting very well, you can document everything. Okay, so 4 hour deep work sessions is like this. You are continuously focused on the task at hand, and once you complete it, then you move forward. Okay, then you do shallow hours, in which shallow work sessions, in which you can use your phone, you can do other things as well, and so on. Okay, so this system is available, that we are going to do, what we are going to do in that. I will share every day's work to you, every day's commitments to you, and you have to complete those commitments. It includes any kind of AI engineering book. It contains any kind of topic. I will explain the topic. I will share the video with you. Um, there will be resources available in it to complete those resources, and after that you will have some assignments as well to complete it. Okay, I'm coming to the Notion part, but yeah, this is the 4 hour deep work session that I follow for years now, and it is very efficient. Okay, so I want you to do that, do the exact same thing. So these are some golden rules for that: no notification, no social media browsing, no phones. Okay, so you can go for water or coffee, that is fine, but not other things. Okay, so our objective is to go 360 about our workspace, whatever things we want to work on. Okay, make sure those are limited. Okay, if you pick up a lot of things, it will be an issue, and I don't it to be want you to be break down somewhere in between those 75 days. Okay, make sure there's a limit, there's a commitment set already in the morning, that okay, we are going to follow these 3 or 4 tasks in a day, and we are good to go. This is a successful day, and we'll share our wins in Discord server. Okay, so the most important part is consistency. Okay, consistency is the most biggest problem in the world today. So if you're not consistent in something, or if you're not doing something in volume, you're not going to be better in it. So that's the thing. Okay, so our objective is consistency. Okay, so we will set certain commitments for a day and we'll complete those. That's it. We will consider that as a successful day. Okay, now when you get this email, there will be certain steps you need to follow, like joining Discord. You can share your about yourself in Discord server. In introduction, you can join for quick updates on WhatsApp. So there's a inner circle on WhatsApp that you can join. Okay, so this is not different. This is just for the quick updates. Okay, all the details will be available on Discord anyway. Okay, you can join this, access this Notion dashboard. This dashboard contains all the information about everyday work of yourself, about this challenge. Okay, I'm coming to that, but you will find a lot of things. I'm coming to that. After that, you can set up certain paths about that is required for our work. And after that, you need to share your work on social media. Okay, build in public is important because we need to market our work as well. Okay, if we are not going to market our work, it will be difficult for us to bring opportunities. Okay, if everything is on your system and nobody knows about it, so it will be an issue for a long period of time after 75 days. So there will be a consistency of everyday work and everyday marketing for 75 days so that those opportunities come to us. Okay, now there will be Telegram. I already told you. There will be a link you will find in the email about the detailed roadmap of what exactly we are going to cover, and some of the important parts, some extra pointers I added here. And all of these links are about my work or my profile in different social media accounts. You can see all of those links available here. Okay, now let me show you. Once you get this email, you will also have a Notion ready here. Okay, so this will be a Notion um, link, Notion dashboard of yours, and this dashboard contains all the information of day-to-day work. Okay, so for example, um, if I see this day 0, so if I click on it, I already told you about day 0, which you anyway going to get in the email. Okay, so all the links will be available here, all the details will be available here. Okay, everything is available here. Okay, that I already told you about in your email. Okay, so this is the first thing. This is the day 0, so you can start with here. After that, there will be a 75-day roadmap and resource library. Okay, if you open this, you will see a particular table. So day 1 content I already added here. What this day 1 content is, you will see tasks you need to complete. You need to install some tools that we are going to use. When you open this, you will find my video that you need to learn from. So this is a masterclass for Python, and you will find all the details about that particular topics. So it can be in text format or it can be in video format, depending upon what type of how you learn things. So for example, you don't have time for watching the 4-hour video, so you can go through the text and just read the text. You will learn a lot from it. Okay, and this is the row. Every day there will be a new section available here. It will be notified to you through email and as well as through this Notion dashboard also. So if you go here, you will find everyday content. Okay, after that there will be daily logs. So daily logs is basically you are going to get some basics about daily logs. Okay, that this particular day you need to do this and what you are going to do in that particular day and so on. Okay, so day 0 is already here. Day 1 I'm going to share tomorrow. Okay, so it's kind of a self-paced also. So for example, you registered at some after 7 days, no issue. You will start from day 1 and day 2. Every day you are going to get an email automatically. Okay, there will be project labs. So right now there is nothing inside it because we haven't worked on it. Then we have community showcase. So all the projects you are going to show in the community, there will be chances you need to demonstrate your work with the community, and maybe you get some leads from there in terms of recruitment, in terms of freelance client, and so on. Okay, any kind of collaboration and all. Okay, so those will be available here. All the projects I will list here based on the categories. Okay, and it will be easy for everyone to learn. Okay, then we have progress tracker. So this is a simple template that is available here. You can, this is for you guys. Okay, so you can add your own work. When you complete a particular day, you will see these progress bar will increase, and you will see that this particular day is done. You can create your own notes or duplicate this um, particular Notion dashboard. Okay, so it's up to you. So it's a progress tracker for yourself, so you can edit it and work on yourself accordingly. Okay, there will be a leaderboard. So leaderboard is for everyone. I will see each and every aspect of this 75 hard AI engineering challenge. Thus, that you are following all the paths, you are interacting with the community, you are sharing your work, you are completing all the assignments and problems. And that's how I'm going to give different scores to every category, and based on it I will list everyone here. Okay, so leaderboard is important for everyone, and at the end of it there will be a surprise. I will share that later. Okay, and we have 75 problem archive. So this is basically for every topic that we are going to cover in that particular day, and along with some questions I'm going to share. Once that is done, I want you to solve one problem every day. So these problems will be, I'm calling it easy, but it is not that easy. It is basically the level I shared with you in the video or the a particular daily content. It will be a level up question than that one. Okay, so once you complete that session, then only you will be able to solve this. Okay, so if I open this, you will see a problem statement here. Okay, this problem statement is basically um, there's no solution to it. Okay, there is a solution, but I'm not going to share this solution. All you need to do is solve this on your own, and I will share some parts to for you to add something to it. Okay, so we'll do it something like there's no solution, there's only an answer. So you need to submit the answer, and I will tell you that it's the right answer or not, or I will create a simple form for the same. Okay, so every day I will add a particular question here, and after 75 days you will be available, you will have 75 different solutions on your own. Okay, so that's a big achievement after 75 days. Okay, so these are the things available here, and this is about me. I will sure add this video as well here. So this is all about the 75 hard AI engineering challenge. Okay, this is a raw video, I'm not editing this one. These kind of videos will be available daily, that I'm going to share that this is the thing I covered in particular day. So you can do the exact same thing on your own. So after 75 days you have a lot of things to share with the world. If you go back and see how much work you have done so far, so it's a very huge achievement in terms of consistency, and a lot of things, you a proof of work you have to share with the world.